Welcome to J into a Python lecture 3. Today we are going to discuss three topics. First one, variables, assignment statements. Second one, the keywords used in the Python. Third one, variable names. Fourth one, interactive mode and script mode. These are the four topics in this lecture. Let's begin the lecture. Coming to the first one, variables and assignment statements. A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to A plus B, print of A, it is 2, print of B, it is 3, print of C, it is 5. Here A equal to 2 means we are assigning the value to A. Similarly, we are assigning the value 3 to B variable and we are assigning the sum of A plus B to C variable. Let's take another one, message equal to welcome to Python. Print of message is welcome to Python. So equal to is used for assigning the values to the variables. Next, coming to the second one, keywords used in the Python. Here totally 35 keywords are present in Python 3. They are like this. So and, as, assert, async, await, break, not, or, class, continue, define, delete, else if, pass, else, except, finally, for, from, global, rise, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, return, try, while, with, yield, and finally true, false, none. Compare all these 35 keywords except true, false, none. All are started with small letters. Except these three, true, false, none, are started with capital letters. So these are the keywords used in the Python. Coming to the next one, variable names. Here, these are the do's in the variable name. So, what are the rules for declaring the variables? First one is using the letters. Second one, using the numbers with letters. Third one, we are using underscore for long variable names. So, let's look into these 3 points. A equal to 2, B equal to 2, capital A equal to 3, capital B equal to 4. Now, print of A gives 2. Print of capital A gives 3. That means small a is one variable, capital A is another variable. Okay, so capitalization is most important. These two are separate variables, not same variables. Small a1 equal to 15, small a2 equal to some 13 value. Print of a1 plus a2, it is 28. Message is hi. Suppose I want to change the name is my message, my space message. it is high. It is syntax error. Okay, so don't use spaces between the variables, right? Or my message equal to high, but the variable seems to be not good, so we need to maintain a space by using underscore. My underscore message, it is one variable, we are assigning high. Now print off my underscore message high, right? So that is using letters, using numbers with letters and underscores. Next, coming to the don'ts. So what are the conditions? Don't conditions in the variable names. Don't start the variable name with the number. And the second rule is don't use the keyword as variable name. 1a equal to 10. It is syntax error because you are starting the variable with a number, that is wrong. A1 equal to 10 is correct. 1a equal to 10 is not correct. Similarly, 2b equal to 20, it is syntax error. B2 equal to 20 is good. Consider keyword example. Class is a keyword which is already discussed. Class equal to high, it is syntax error because class is a keyword in the Python. Class 1 equal to high. So that is okay. So class is a keyword, not used as a variable. True equal to high. True is considered as one variable. Capital T R U E. So true, it is high, it is syntax error. Okay. If equal to high. So it is syntax error because of if is keyword. I is capital. Capital IF is considered as one variable because that is not keyword. Coming to the fourth topic, interactive mode and script mode. In this mode, we are testing the bits before you put them into a script. Suppose you are writing a code, okay? So you have to check it is good statement or bad statement. So you will check directly by using interact mode, just like this. Consider marks 75. Consider total marks 100. Percentage, we are calculating the percentage. We know the formula. Marks divided by total marks print off percentage, sorry forgot, into 100. Percentage equal to marks divided by total marks into 100. Now print the percentage, it is 75. Okay, this is interactive mode, you can directly run the code. Next, coming to the script mode. In this mode contains a sequence of statements and results appear one at a time. Let's look into this. So this is complete Python window. In this script mode, go to file, create a new file. So in this new file, type some statements. Take same example, marks equal to 75, total marks equal to 100, percentage equal to marks divided by total marks into 100. Print of, sorry, spelling mistake here, percentage. Print of percentage is, okay. Now save the file. Sample.py. .py is the extension for saving the Python files. Now open the file. File, open the sample Python file. Click on run module. See here the percentage is displayed 75.0. Suppose you want to change like this. See here percentage is equal to, it is in placed as string. Save it, run. Oh, it is an invalid syntax. We have to place comma here. Run module, save it. See here percentage is equal to 75. So this is script mode. So that's all for today's lecture. So the topics are variables, assignment statements, keywords, variable names, interactive mode and script mode.